Right, good news people, we're back for a quick tour of the bungalow. We're back from our holiday, and what we did, we went on holiday for a week. I'll put a little link up there if you're interested. And it's been a few days since we've been back, and what we did, we left the bungalow at the key with a couple of good plasters. So if you need a couple of good plasters, we'll give you some information. So we left these two guys around here, a couple of friends of ours, family members, etc., who've done the plastering. So we gave them a free reign to the whole property. If you look at the last video, the previous video, you'll see the state of it. It's a bit messy now though, so we have loads of deliveries, bathroom equipment, etc., etc. But what I'll do, I'll spin the camera around. We're well pleased with how it's gone. I'll show you how it's gone so far. I'll spin the camera around and show you the plastering. So, as you walk into it's a bit dark, as you walk into the rooms now, all plastered. All the ceilings are plastered, all the way through. All the walls are plastered here. Now, if you turn right now, the large bedroom with the ensuite, it's a bit dark because we've blocked the windows up, but all the ceilings are done, all the walls are done. Some of it's gone off, some of it's still yet to go off. Back box has been put in all the walls now for the sockets. The plastic back boxes and steel back boxes, metal back boxes, all the walls are done. So considering we've done the dot and dabbing ourselves, the plaster's done a fantastic job. I mean, we weren't the best dot and dabbers and the insulation. If you saw the last video, we've done our best, but we're not experts. But the plaster's covered up a multitude of sins really, and it's looking really, really good now. I'm really pleased. So we'll take a step back. But it's a bloody mess. I should have filmed it before, but it's a mess now, so we're doing some plumbing, trying to get the bathroom fitted now. It's a bit dark in there, but the ceiling's done in there, the ceiling's done in there. We've got sockets up there now for the switches. Obviously this room's storage, so the room on the left here is the utility room. There's the bath there, it's been fitted now. Here's the utility room. All the walls plastered. Got a lovely job these guys have done. And there's the electric's going to come down, consuming unit there, and this is the utility room. This is going to have the washing machine and bits and pieces in it and some shelving. So we're now in the third bedroom, which would be like a bedroom free come office. My son's going to use it as an office for a little while. This is all plastered now, the windows in. Look, I'll spin the camera around and show you. It's looking so much better, so much better. Let's have a little look. So hats off to the plaster's done this. As I said, if you want some information, message me below. It's guys in Essex, and if you need some plasters, I'll show you how it's looking really nice in here. It's still going off a little bit of plaster. And there's a new loft hatch that we've moved. And all the walls are done there now. Looking good, it really does bring it up now. Not a lot to see, I suppose, really. And the electrician's been around to put some more boxes in. So it's ready to do the fixing of those. Now, let me just take you into the other room, which is one of the front bedrooms. I'm walking around stuff now, I didn't realise we were going to get all this stuff delivered so soon, but let's spin it around again. So, there's the bathroom there. So this has all been plastered. I don't know if you, in the last video you saw me putting a piece of plasterboard here. We dot and dabbed that on. Done a great job of blending it in across the top there. And down, so that's all done, it's lovely. We've just got to cut this back. Trim it back. So all to do now is to get the door linings in. So we'll be getting door lining in here and doors. I think we're going to get a carpenter to do that, I think, cheaply. Bath, and they're doing in the bath at the moment. My sons are fixing the shower at the moment, and the pump, etc. in there, but it'll come out of here because this is work in progress, this room. And then this is the other front bedroom. All the electrics are nice and tidy now. We've even got a cabinet in this wall here, this false wall, and the doorway's been plastered. Coming into this bedroom here, one of the front rooms, lovely job. You can slightly see where the loft hatch was, that's just drying at a different pace. The other plaster dries at a different time. And there was the other door there. Let's step back here. So the old door's there, you can just sort of see the drying out at different stages, but it's all blended in lovely. So you never know. And then all the windows, all the reviews that we did that we was worried about to come out lovely. All we need to do now is put window boards on here. Radiator's going on. And we've got tile backables there for the bathroom. We're going to put that in the bathroom, put the tile straight on the wall by the bath, tile on that. I think you'll agree it's completely transformed it. It's a shame I never filmed it a little bit earlier, a couple of days earlier, because I didn't realise we was getting all these deliveries coming in. But I'm really pleased with the plastering. Once it's fully dry, I'm going to go around with a mist coat, the emulsion, water done emulsion, do all the ceilings, all the walls, brighten it right up, and I'll bring the camera back around to show you. Looking really good, pleased with it. And next stage is to fit the bathroom out, get door linings in, doors, clean the floor up a little bit, mist coat the whole lot, all the walls and ceilings to be painted, you know, a watered down coat of paint. Then the skirting on and all that. Yeah, so at the moment, it's looking fantastic. Let me just spin the camera around again. There's a bit of a mess because we've got all the bathroom bits and bobs in here for the bathroom. To be fair, myself doing around here most nights and doing a few bits, so it's looking really good, really good. A little bit of plumbing going on there with the plastic stuff. The old soil pipe's out as well. We're going to put a new soil pipe through there. Plumbing in here. This is going to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, we've just had the ceiling plastered. This wall's going to be tiled anyway. We've got to put some lagging on here. We're adjusting this because there's different rads going on there now, so I've got to adjust the plumbing on that. It'll be different centres. Then we're going to put some lagging on that. And then the ceiling's been done in here. This is all being, these walls are all being tiled back a ball on here, and the shower's going in there. Looking really good, really pleased. So that's the updated video. That's how far we are along now with the renovation of this property. I'll just spin the camera and show you. So there's the old soil. The old soil stack part was here. That's still been taken out now. It's been replaced with plastic, modern plastic stuff. Because this is the bathroom behind here. One of the bathrooms, and the ensuite's the other side. So all in all, it's come on really good, really pleased. The plaster's done a great job. It's really taking shape now. Once we get that paint on the walls, it will start really looking good. And we get the door linings on, architrave skirting done. It's going to look great. Only a quick update, people. I thought I'd pop along and give you an update because we've been away. Holiday videos, it says up below. Keep an eye out for the next video. It's be coming very, very soon. Please like, subscribe for more of the same, or not necessarily the same actually. See you soon. Bye bye.